that is what we're going to get in here. Okay, the stay time. Stay time we are going to identify now after unhappy customers. We are now finding out that what is the time my peoples are waiting there to get their technicians out, right? So let me reset this and close this. Let us change this to stay time, right? Or you can just put in like wait time. Okay, so here it is, our wait time. Okay, versus time, right? Now let me reset and run this. So you can see this is my waiting time for the persons. Okay, now the thing here out is that basically this is going to be the average one, right? So when I just top it out, you see here I have 200 minutes of wait time. Okay, when I just click on this, and if I just look at the statistics out in here, this is what the maximum has been vented off as of, and we have an average of 170. And then this is what, so basically for most of the tokens we are going to look into how it goes, right? So this is how it goes. So the graph here is going to tell you that what is your stay time in the system out there. If you don't want to have this line graph, what you can do is you can go in here, get us this, okay, the table one, right? And let me just reset and run this. So by looking at the tabular form, you're going to understand that what is your current stay time, what is your maximum stay time, and what is your average stay time. So if you could look at the current stay time is what is visible here on the line scale. Okay, so what you observed is that the most of the time my people are more than 140 minutes. Okay, the stay time is 140 minutes. If you look at the average, it's almost 180 minutes. Okay, is the average time. That means that the people are going to wait for a longer time. Okay, so that is how it is going to be in the flow out there. Now what we are going to do, we are basically going to run this model for what is that 43200, that is 12 hours. Okay, and let us see how this model looks like when the graphs are being visible. Okay, so this is how the graph looks like. It's completely linear. Now let us analyze the graphs which we have created. So the first thing what we did is we created a process flow, that is we created a simulation. Then we fetched the dashboards from the process flow. We have learned how to fetch the dashboards from the process flow, which different types of dashboards we can fetch, that we have learned. Now we are going to analyze the system in the way. Okay, so basically that is what we need to look into. Now let us bring this dropper. We can select this dropper and let us select my sync. Okay, that is of happy customers. When I just reset this and run, this is what you're going to see. That is, our happy customers are in orange and my unhappy customers are in blue. So what we are seeing here is that the happy customers are very linear, guys. And if you could look at, the happy customers are more than unhappy customers. That is a good news for us. Okay, and when you basically look at the waiting time, this is how it is going to look at. So basically here we have different options which you can modify to get your, what I can say, the graphs in the play. Okay, you can have like there are different options you can try out. Okay, so but this is what you're going to get in, guys, that what I can say, the waiting time you're going to see here. This is what you're going to get in here, and this is how it looks. Okay, so when you just look into this, what you're going to see that your average stay time was 157, current stay time is 197, and your maximum is going to, what I can say, is 200, what I can say is seconds. So this is how you need to analyze the system, because the way you're going to create the graphs and the way you're going to analyze that, because the better you make the graphs, the easier it is going for you to analyze the system. Okay, so clearly this is a business process that can be improved, and you're going to put in the answers in the comment section that what are those ways with which we can improve this system more, more what I can say, more effectively or more efficiently. Okay, so these are some of the graphs we are using to analyze our system. We are finding out. Study these graphs and let me know in the comment section that what are the major issues you're looking in the system and what are the areas we can improve onto this. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to meet in the next tutorial on our channel now, and this is the end of this tutorial, right? Tutorial 4. We will be meeting in tutorial 5 where we'll understand linking the models. Okay, we are going to create a 3D visualizing model in Flexsim. Okay, and we are going to learn how to link the process flow to the 3D model now, because we have separately tried creating a process flow. We have separately created a 3D model. Now let us combine these two, that is apply a process flow to a 3D model, and let us make one great simulation model together and learn that. So let us meet in another grand interesting video on creating 3D model in Flexsim, tutorial 5 for a service desk operation. Okay, so I am waiting for you in the next video. Let us meet in that video. And till now, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please guys do subscribe it, like our video and share it with your friends. So let us meet in another grand interesting video. Till then, stay safe.
So welcome to our website beawarechannel.com, and you can see that we have a lot of educational content just for you. So the specialized content we have is discrete event simulation support, then we provide you industrial engineering training, then we have lectures for you, and then we have blogs which are literally going to groom your skill sets and your knowledge. Then we have a very important aspect of our life, that is health awareness related stuffs on your Be Aware channel. Okay, so here is our booking online appointment tab. So in the home you will get the tab where you can book online appointments for if you want the Flexsim simulation training, you can book it here. If you want the support related to simulation projects, that might be industrial simulation projects, then you can book and take an appointment from here. We will be discussing on that into this. Then if you want a support related to creation of 3ds model files which you can import in your simulation for better visualization, we have that in here. You can book the appointments from here. If there are any simulation project support for engineering students for their educational purpose, for their educational projects, if they need support on, then we are there to support you. You can book your appointment from here and we can have a thorough detailed discussions, and then we can take ahead the plan of how it has to be done. Then if you want the customized simulation model for your industry simulation projects, for your engineering projects, we can provide you customized simulation modules. So to know this in detail, book appointments now. There are very limited slots available, and it's the fastest thing you need to do is book online appointments. Then if you could look at, we are India's first and only simulation channel. We have our YouTube channel available. We have a dedicated playlist for simulation tutorials, modeling tutorials. We have a playlist for industrial engineering related stuffs. You can visit our YouTube channel from this, and do not forget to subscribe, like and share. If you want to know about us, it is available here. Here we have our scheduled events. These are the upcoming events across our Be Aware channel. So it might be our YouTube channels, it might be our websites, it might be blogs. So you will get a detailed info at the scheduled events, and you can check our services here for detailed and more informative thing. So I've taken you through our home page. So we have a dedicated simulation page here. You can explore here. If you want any support in, you can reach out to us from this, or you can book the appointments directly, because if you're going to reach out to us from here, we are guiding you to book the appointments indirectly. So you can directly reach out to us by booking an online appointment. Then we have the training classes here. If you want to opt for a training classes based on subscription, we also have option for that. You can visit and purchase that. Then we have the modules, in specific modules which you can buy, and those modules you can use in your industrial projects or your engineering projects. Then we have engineering tab where we bring in the content related to industrial engineering, synchronization of different technologies, and the sync between simulation and industrial engineering. So there's a lot to explore in this industrial engineering domain. Then we have also bought you personality development tab, where we bring the content which can groom your personality, help you develop, upgrade your skill sets in a journey of job and career upgradements. So we bring a lot of exciting topics onto this. These videos will be released on our website first, and after 2 weeks of time, these videos will be released on a YouTube channel. So it's better you visit our website daily to get recent updates. Then we have personal finance tab, where we support you for managing your finances, so that you're building a wealth with a strong financial background. So the foundation needs to be strong for financials. So this is a tab where you can explore our content, where we share our views, we share in tips which can help you manage your finances. These all things you will be getting in engineering. We have the best to the class blogs available, ranging from simulation technology, then different types of technologies, industrial engineering, finance, personality development. All these stuffs you will be getting in a form of blogs in here. So we upload blogs daily. Visit our website beawarechannel.com to get maximum out of it. And then we have health awareness tab, where you could look into. We are going to have a lot of exciting stuffs related to health. We are still working on this, guys. We need your support. Give us a like, share, and subscribe, because we are going to bring a lot of exciting stuffs which you will not get anywhere available to top-notch quality. So here you see we are bringing in health related blogs which are dedicated so that you live a healthy, stronger, and happy life. We have organ related tips here, ankylosing spondylitis support we provide in, and you can contact us in here. So this is an overall high level journey for our beawarechannel.com for services like simulation, engineering, personal finance, personality development, blogs, health awareness, and many more. It's like having multiple things under one umbrella. So what are you waiting for? Do not forget to visit our beawarechannel.com website daily, so you groom yourselves, upgrade yourselves, and stay updated. So thanks for this, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and visit our website beawarechannel.com. So see you in the next video.